Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. So glad you're here today. Today we're going to enter day 3 of our Learn to Draw series, and I'm going to show you how to draw the oval. There's a very specific way to get it and to draw it so that it mirrors itself and looks accurate. It's one of the 3 main volumes that we use to build our drawings, that being the cone, the cube, and the oval. There's variations of those 3, but let's get this oval down so that in our next Learn to Draw, we can actually start drawing some objects. So hang in there, get this down, and it will make it that much easier for you. Okay, let's get to the studio and start drawing. But let's look closely how to draw an oval. We want to start with a straight line. This will give us a basis of where our oval will be drawn from. And what we're trying to do here is to draw an oval that is reflective upon itself. Now what I mean is that side A, if I was to fold that over, it would be exactly right on top of side B. They're reflective of each other, and that line in the middle is what we call the minor axis. The minor axis is the shortest point that goes across an oval. Your major axis would go perpendicular to that. But here I've drawn another straight line, and I'm just practicing trying to get that oval to mirror, to be of equal on both sides. Okay, let's try it again here, a little bit narrower. So this is a great technique to practice on your page. Draw a straight line and then try and get both sides to match. All right, so here is an example of drawing a cone shape, and you can see I've come down, and now at the bottom I'm drawing an oval. Draw another oval here. Oh, I'm a little off on this one. I have to draw on top of my lines a little bit. There's another cone shape. It's just important that we just keep practicing these over and over again. All right, now in this example, I've changed the minor axis to be on an angle. And once again, it gets harder here to get that to mirror. Now, one thing you can do, if you're going to draw an oval on an angle, there's nothing saying you can't spin your paper so that it's easier to draw with it being vertical.
Whoa, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Okay, so that will do it for today. Make sure you practice the ovals, the cones, and the cubes, and tomorrow we will start to apply those in some nice still life objects, and those are the foundations, and it's to the sky's the limit, right? All right, let's get this done. Congratulations, 3 days are down.